Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Sweet Twins, and if you're new, please subscribe and like. If you also don't know who I am Sugar. Candy is gone doing other things. We're going to be doing a video on that later. But we have a lot to catch up to. So one thing is we got a cat, so she's going to be roaming around. Her name is Willa, so you might hear me say Willa. And I recently went to the dollar store, and I found these cute little squishy toy things. So, let's get started. Okay, so here is the baby squishy thing. I don't know what to call it. It's nice and squishy. It's like, I don't know. I really like it, though. It's cute, and I need to get good lighting. Okay, so it has a little, here, I need to get it close. Okay, so it has a yellow nook right there, and a yellow blanket. You can, here, let me focus this. Okay, you can kind of see it a little bit better. So it has a yellow nook and a yellow blanket. Ooh. And it has little cute feet. And a diaper. So I am going to be opening some more because I just went to Dollar Tree and I got some more. So we're going to be opening those. I'm going to put her off to the side. And yeah. Okay, so we're going to be opening this one first. This is Series 1. These are all the types that you can get. And I've just picked 3 random ones, so hopefully I didn't grab a duplicate. But I'm going to start opening it. I'm going to grab my scissors, if I can find them. Oh, you're there. Okay, I'm closing my eyes. I'm afraid I'm going to cut it. Did I cut it? Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. You guys might have seen a little sneak peek of it. Okay, so it has a blue hat, little pom-pom, and a diaper. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Look at it. I'm going to put this on the wrapper so it doesn't get all dirty. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. It's just a little sleeping baby. Its little hat. And I'm not going to be opening them from here until the end. You know what? Let's just open them right away. If I can get all of them open. Here. Ugh. One sec, you guys. So yeah, that's Willa, if you can hear her in the background. Yep, that's definitely her. So, oh my goodness, this is so soft. You can squish them. It's really fun to squish them. This one's really cute. There's Willa. So it's like a little baby kind of sitting and sleeping. This is super cute. The feet are so realistic, I swear. Can you focus? There. Kind of focused. I've been having troubles keeping my camera focused lately, so it might be a little bit hard. But, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh. Seriously, Willa? Well, I'm going to put them on here. I'm going to scoot them back so you can see them. Over there. It's kind of bad lighting again, but I'm still working on that. Okay. Here comes this one. Okay. Here's another one. Please don't be a duplicate. Okay. Okay. Again, you might have saw in a little sneak peek. Okay. This is a little bit different looking than all the other ones. I see a little glimpse of pink. A diaper and... Oh my goodness. Oops. This is so cute. It's just like a little baby girl in a blanket. Oh, her eyes are so cute. She's sucking on her thumb. Or her blanket. I can't tell. Okay. Let's open this one. Oh my goodness. Let's give it a good squish. So, this, here it is. It's pretty cute. Squishy head. The blanket is amazing. Again, the feet look really detailed. You can kind of see it better this time. Oh, she is so cute. Okay. Well, we have one more to open, you guys. One more. Okay, so we have the last package. And we're not going to open it yet because we're going to look at the list and see how much we have more to collect. So, the ones that we have so far are this one, and this one. Which would mean we have 1, 2, 9 more to collect. But including this one, we have 8 more to collect. So, well, so let's open this. If I can find my scissors, I keep putting them everywhere. Okay. Ah, it's not cutting! What the heck? Okay, you guys, I'm struggling. Oh, Willa. Willa, can you say hi? No? Okay. Well, she's going to be in here a little bit while I open it. You guys can probably see a little glimpse of it already. What the heck? What is this? Oh, wait. I think we might have gotten this one, you guys. Okay, let's open it. Oh, yeah, we did. Oh, my gosh. That is so funny. Okay. Let's see. Oh, my God. That is hilarious. Okay. This is it. So it's like a baby. Here, look at, they're like doing gymnastics or something. They're doing something. That is so funny. So it is blue, and we did get the one that I pointed to earlier. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm probably going to be opening the rest of the series a little bit later. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time we upload a new video. Goodbye.